Here I am considering for the node A. Routing is based on Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm. Considering A, so this is A, B, E. These are the routers. Initially this is 0. This is permanent. It is 0 and it is permanent. And A to B infinity, 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 infinity. Next one is 0 is permanent, so it is initial. Considering B, this is the previous cost infinity, 0, and distance for A to B. Distance for A to B is 5, and 0 infinity comma 0 plus 5 is 5. Minimum cost is 5. For A to C, infinity comma, this is the old value and this is the minimum, and for A to C distance is 2, and infinity plus 2 is minimum is 2. For A to D is infinity and 0 plus A to D there is 3 and minimum is 3. For A to E infinity comma 0 plus A to E there is no direct path, so it is infinity and it is minimum is infinity. Now in the second level the minimum cost is 2, so this is permanent. For A to C this is permanent, so first of all A is there, then A to C is the next node, that is cost 2. Considering this one is remains 0 and this is minimum and this is permanent, so 0 remains 0. For this for C, the 5 is the previous value, 2 is the minimum, 2, and the distance for B to C distance is 4, and 5 comma 6 is minimum is 5. Now this is the permanent. Now 3 is the old value, 2 is the minimum, and distance for C to D there is no connection, this is infinity. 3 comma infinity is 3. Now this is infinity, and 2 plus C comma E, there is a connection between C comma E, that's 4, and minimum is 6. Now in this stage the permanent is minimum is 3, and that is D, so D is now permanent. A to D is permanent, that is 3, and this one is permanent, this one is permanent. This is 0 and minimum is here 3, and this is 5, 3. In between cost of BD cost is no cost is there, infinity, and minimum is 5. 2 is permanent, 3 is permanent, and it is 6 comma minimum is 3, 6 comma minimum is 3, 3 plus distance between D and E there is no such distance, so minimum is 6. Now in this stage the minimum cost is 5, so B is now permanent. The next one is for this is permanent, B is now permanent, and C is already permanent. Here 3 is permanent, 6 is also a permanent node. So for B to E, C to E, this is 6. So this is known as link state routing for the node A. Similarly, you can create link state routing for B, C, D, E, and so on.